That's why this board is right here. It bends the flux core wire to a certain point. This is it, y'all. If y'all looking for something cheap, you know, y'all need in y'all garage, you know what I'm saying? Get this, y'all. Hey, welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures. It's Peanut, I'm James. Welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures. Every day is an automotive adventure, y'all. As y'all can see, we out in the HoneyComb Hideout. So we're gonna bring y'all something, but before we bring that something, let's give an official shout out to our sponsors. Graphicsbyva.com. Reach out to him, y'all. He's doing big things. Anything graphic related, he can get it done for you. You know, promotional items, t-shirts, hats, mugs. What else, Peanut? Coffee mugs. You know what I'm saying? Like, what else is he doing, man? I'm trying to think of some acrylic engraving with the keychains, all that good stuff, y'all, man. Y'all just reach out to him, man. If y'all got a project, even graphic design too, you know what I'm saying? If you're trying to design a graphic, a decal or whatever, he can help you out with that. Next sponsor.
Innovative Powders.
Innovative Powders. Reach out to him. He's powder coating the world, y'all. He's powder coating the world. Powder coating everything from wheels, engine parts, intakes, ATV frames, motorcycle frames. He's doing it all, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And we're very proud of him. We use them, and we use all our sponsors. And you know, we wouldn't be recommending them unless we use them, right? So reach out to Innovative Powders, y'all. He's doing a great job. You know what I'm saying? Powder coating things, man. He just, I don't know. He came through in the clutch for us. So y'all see that junior dragster in between us. He powder coated those front wheels. Looks amazing. We proud, you know what I'm saying? Proud customer. That's our sponsor. Hey, reach out to him. Innovative Powders. All right, Peanut. What are we talking about today in the HoneyComb Hideout?
A welder.
A welder. We picked up this welder. I ain't trying to block Peanut. Am I blocking you? Bam. No, I don't. My arm is. We picked up a 125 flux core welder. That's what this video is about. You know what I'm saying? We picked it up for cheap. They was having a sale March 3rd. We picked it up, you know what I'm saying? We're setting it up right now. We ain't gonna do no welding, y'all, because we still learning. We're gonna learn how to weld in the HoneyComb Hideout. That's another reason for buying it. But let me turn this camera around, show y'all what we got. All right, y'all. This is what we got, team running. Titanium Flux 125 inverter power source flux core welder. We got it. We paid, how much did we pay for this? I want to say 115 bucks, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You can't beat that, man. If you're on a budget, you can't beat that, man. You know, it's a good welder for us to learn on. You know what I'm saying? Like, if we become good at welding, then we'll upgrade to a better, bigger, better one. And we already got a 220 plug in the HoneyComb Hideout, so we ain't worried about that. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what this lift runs on, 220. But we got that welder, right? Peanut just not waking up, y'all. Look at him. But, hey, we got it. We're going to show it to y'all. It's right here. Bam! As y'all can see, I was setting it up for the flux core wire. I got it to feed correctly, put the correct tension on it. That's why this board is right here. It bends the flux core wire to a certain point. This is it, y'all. If y'all looking for something cheap, you know, y'all need in y'all garage, you know what I'm saying? Get this, y'all. Get this. And the reason why we got this too was because Justin, a neighbor, came down and he, bam, welded a couple of my fenders on that I broke over time back to the trailer. He welded it up. So bam, I was happy with, he used the same welder. Man. He did a great job. Came down, saved the day. So I was like, hey, why don't we just get one? And that's what we did, right, Peanut? That's what we did. We went ahead and got a welder. I'm gonna order some welding kits off of Amazon where we can learn how to weld. Even Peanut gonna learn how to weld. Don't worry, we got our welding helmet right here in the corner. We got a welding helmet right here. I'm gonna have to buy another one for Peanut. Self-dimming welding helmet, we got it. We got it. And we're gonna get to welding, y'all. We're gonna learn how to weld and fabricate a little bit. Next would be a drill press. So, you know, we got it. Always had the welding cart. Always had this welding cart because we got another welder back there. It's blue. I forgot the name. I think it's a Clark. I'm not gonna get rid of it. It's just this one was smaller. So I like this one better. Or maybe we might get rid of it. We fall in love with this, we might sell it for cheap. But yeah, man, this is what we got right here. Man, I think I'm gonna get some new welding gloves though, because them welding gloves just seen better days. But yeah, man, we got it. And that's this right here is my welding jacket right there. I always had one. It's still in the plastic, so y'all can see I ain't been welding nothing if that's still in the plastic, right? That little welding jacket. Gonna get some more gloves. Buy Peanut a self-dimming welding helmet. Look, they got instructions right here. Bam. On how to set up everything. The only thing where I messed up at, which I'm gonna go tomorrow and get it, we would have demonstrated, y'all, because I do got some scrap metal around, but I went with the 0.035 wire, and I don't have the actual contact tip for it. We got the contact tips for 0.030, but I thought the extra contact tip that was in the package would have been for 0.035, since this welder can do both, but nope, it wasn't. So I'm gonna go tomorrow and we're gonna buy that correct contact tip so we can get the welding, y'all. We can get the welding. So that's another reason why I couldn't really demonstrate or become Mr. Sparky. That's what they call you when you trying to learn how to weld, Mr. Sparky. So, you know, but we got it. That's the little cover piece right there for the contact tip. So yeah, we got it, y'all. It's set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this real quick. Let you see it. It even comes with a strap. I don't know what I did with the strap, Peanut. You see what I did with the strap? It comes with like this carrying strap. Oh, he got it. I guess, yeah, that's the one. Comes with a nice little carrying strap where you loop it here. Let me show you. You loop it here, then you double loop it, I believe, through here to help carry it. But worst case scenario, we got the instructions right here. See, that's the 0.030 contact tips right there. Instructions right there. Great instruction book. Great instruction book. So if y'all interested, man, y'all run the Harbor Freight, get y'all one, man. Get y'all one, because we're going to learn how to weld. That's one thing we're going to learn. It even gives you, where's it at? Let me get to it real quick. Yeah, that thing I keep, it's a nozzle. I'm going to get this welding terminology down. Contact tip, flux gun. But it even shows you how to weld in this little book, man. Hey, appreciate you, Harbor Freight. You know what I'm saying? It even shows you. We got a dead blow hammer, but I'm gonna have to get me a chipping hammer and a wire brush. I know we don't have that. Look at that. It even shows you, y'all. I appreciate that, Harbor Freight. For an amateur like me. Look, see it, Peanut? Where it shows you how to weld right there. It even shows you. Hold on, I'm going backwards. Shows you how to use the settings, all that, y'all. Look at that. Shows you how to do that. Stringer bead, weave bead, you know what I'm saying? Dang, this is all right. How to weld at a 45-degree angle, 90-degree angle. The drag angle, you know. So we're gonna be reading this book. Yeah, man. Yeah. Boom, let's go back over here. I love it, I love it. Look at that. It's too small for the welding cart. That's all right. That's all right. What you think about it, Peanut? You ready to learn how to weld?
Yeah.
See, he said he's ready, y'all. So I'm gonna have to get him a welding helmet. We'll probably get you a welding helmet tomorrow when I go pick up that 0.035 contact tip. So we can start learning. Then I might as well just go ahead and order the Amazon welding kit for we can, it's pretty much scrap metal that you can weld, run beads on, because that's how you learn. You keep running beads and you come sparky. Me and you both gonna be sparky. So we're gonna get it done, y'all. We're gonna get it done. All right, Team Running, we're gonna go ahead and close out this video. We out here in the HoneyComb Hideout. Tomorrow's daylight savings time, so we're gonna be really getting it in out here. We should have been getting it in all winter, but Man, it was cold. No excuses, though. No excuses. But we have been doing little things out here. We did get his junior dragster back running, right?
Yeah.
Fuel pump issues. Swapped it out with a new fuel pump from Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. And she's back running. We probably bring a video of that. That's why we didn't get to go to test and tuning this weekend, because the part just came in. We just installed it, so it's all good. But we're going to get out there at VMP to get him back in the trenches, right? Ready to get in them lights, light them beams up. But, you know what I'm saying? We appreciate all the support. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share.
Hit that notification.
Hit that notification bell. You know what I'm saying? We're going to have, you know, even more stuff coming. But this is sort of like our, before we close out, what did we call this, man? Where it's not a, like showing buyers what to buy. I can't, I mean, I'm having a brain cramp. But, you know, what do you call that? You know, where you explain what you just purchased to people. We just want to be transparent with you guys and show y'all what we bringing into the HoneyComb Hideout and what we're using and what budget we're trying to stay under and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Because we're trying to be cheap as possible for car parts. You know what I'm saying? But sometimes you can't be cheap. But hey, enough of me babbling on this closeout. That's Peanut. I'm James. This Peanuts Automotive Adventures. We out.
Peace.
Peace.